Within your currencies, you've got the ability to run your exchange rate service and update your exchange rates. But what happens then? So to update the impact on your general ledger, there's a few things to note. You've got the adjust exchange rate. Now here I can see that today's the date is the 13th of the 10th. I've already run the update. And if I was to want to update this to reflect, there's a couple of things here. You always state the date, and the date is the date that you're wanting to affect this. You would have the posting date of any change in adjustment, the document number of this adjustment. Now we can adjust, we can turn these off and we can choose just to adjust customers. So their current pricing will then therefore adjust accordingly. We could choose to adjust vendors. We could choose to adjust bank accounts. And then if you've got different reporting currencies, so if you're running a USD entity reporting back to Australian entity, you can adjust and correct those balances accordingly. If you have exchange rate services on every single field in here, like every single code, you can actually run this across all by just removing the filter. However, most people do not. They just have it on a few. And so subsequently, you're going to have to use the currency code to select who you're filtering by. Once you've filtered this and you're happy with your options, all you do is you either hit OK or you then schedule it. And if you're scheduling it, it turns it into a job which can run on a reoccurring basis. Here, I'm just going to hit OK. And being that it's already been run, it's just going to say there's nothing to adjust. Okay, that's how you adjust your exchange rates.